If you are facing this issue, the drives like hard drive or SSD is not showing during Windows 11 installation, then in this video I will show you guys how to fix that issue. So at first you need to close this window and it will automatically restart your laptop. After that you just need to press F2 key from your keyboard. If you are using Dell laptop. For HP, you need to search it on Google how to open BIOS window. After open BIOS window, you will see the storage option on your BIOS. Simply click on that option. On storage, you will see the RAID is on. So simply you need to check that option, which is AHCI/NVMe option. Simply select that storage device and click on apply changes. After done, I will press F12 key and boot from my USB pen drive. Now as you can see, all my drives is showing right now and it is working perfectly. So I hope this quick tutorial really helped for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye, take care.